Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a Likkle Everything Jamaican. I am Michelle and with me is my husband Marcel, and today we are heading to see Mass Nevi. Alright, so please remember to like, to share and to subscribe to the channel, so once we post a new video you will be updated. Alright, so we are due a trip to Mass Nevi. Originally, because the last time we went to, Marcel would have changed the door, but we did not get to stop up the holes in the house. So today wasn't really the day, but we have changed some plans. So because some persons would have donated some items, they want to deliver them to Mass Nevi. So today what we will be doing is to deliver the items, some item of clothing, some groceries and different things, toiletries and so on. And also we would have purchased the door handle. So I want to say special shout out to our donors. The donor who would have sent the items of clothing, the groceries and toiletries and so on, who wishes to remain anonymous. Thanks to you. You continue to support the channel and we are more than grateful. May God continue to bless you richly. And also the other donor who we will refer to as Blessing. So Blessing would have donated, and as such we were able to buy the door handle from Mass Nevi. Alright, so as usual, you know, the journey is long, and so we have saddled up today because the clothing and grocery items were in a big box. So because of the road, and normally we take the journey on foot, we have to have my backpack here, my backpack, my bag here, and then Marcel has the same, 2 knapsacks in fact. That's it.
That's it?
Yeah. So Marcel have more burden than I do because his bags, both of them, are heavier than mine put together.
It's light, huh?
Oh.
1 finger, is it?
That's not bad. Oh, but I know the one on the
you
back
want
is
it?
very heavy.
No, man,
light? No man, me good, me have 2.
Let's see them pack stone, them and fix the road. Maybe next year we can drive up.
Yeah, we shall see. So somebody filling up the holes with stones. So I guess that should help some people who have maybe
Forerunner,
like a Forerunner. So
it was cement on it.
okay, so what we'll have to do is to go back to Mass Nevi at a different time to stop up the holes, because we won't be able to do that today. So we go to him another time to do that. And I know he should have some information for us today, because he would have gone to his appointment. So we're hoping that he'll have some information as to what he should do next, you know, whether it's a surgery or you know what. So wait until we get there for him to provide us with that information. Oh Lord.
They are tired.
Yeah, they are tired. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so I was saying to Marcel earlier that, you know, we should consider this our little exercise when we go to Mass Nevi.
Maybe you need to run.
No, we're not run. If we never had any bags, we could try
run.
Try run.
Oh, Jesus.
Whew. The sun gone in. Nice.
Yeah.
It's so cool under here.
You want to stop?
No man. We only stop when sun over there side.
Yeah.
But everywhere you have the sun gone in also the time cool. Oh wow.
Yeah. But give him. Tired.
You're tired? You want rest?
No. Reach more, reach.
No, I reach. Me want reach too. I wouldn't mind if we did reach already.
Yes, eh? What's the good man in today?
You always say that, but you always do it. I'm not gonna do that, man.
Maybe we need to get one and key. That's right. So when you go down in there, we just left what we carry.
Me sure you don't give your man, sir. Me sure. Okay, I forgot about this part. The donor who sent the clothing, the groceries and so on, she would have sent a phone for Mass Nevi. We did not get to bring the phone today because we have to purchase him a SIM card, which we did not get to do as yet. So when we come back to stop up the holes in the house, hopefully we'll have that phone ready.
See, I'm here. This ain't called Yam Bank. But we wouldn't call it bank.
Why no cash
Not in there.
yet?
No cash in there.
But it's
So Yam Hill.
when the yam plant, you can call it yam bank.
Still Hill.
Well, you're gonna get cash eventually, don't it?
Yeah, but not bank. Bank a place where money there, man. Cash. But not cash.
Money in my farm. Oh God, it's so good. You see from how long the sun gone in
Yeah.
until we reach so far. God is an awesome God.
Stay when I come back.
Yes. Yes, we pray.
Yeah.
Hi, how you do?
Dana, morning.
I am well. How are you? We have to foot it up because the car can manage the road. We park down the bottom. Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Alright.
Take care. Alright. Remember?
Look here, you see bamboo? Yeah, but look here. Look on the bamboo. That's what they say when you cut in a moonshine. You see what amount of dust?
The dust.
Yeah.
Insect eat it. The bag I drop off, man.
Which bag?
No, this one.
What you have?
Yours.
No, so me bring it.
Go.
I think at Christmas you gonna go come.
I was thinking it, you know, but me didn't want to say it because I said maybe me don't know not much about this, so. So
Yeah,
I was
not
thinking
much about this one, yeah.
because normally we go ready for Christmas, but
Yeah.
these just get ready now. Maybe they were planned later than the time that it should, so come in for Christmas.
Catch the jackfruit. You want jackfruit?
Oh sure.
All right,
You
me
get
just save it right there,
jackfruit.
so. Me save it. Yeah.
Ooh.
You have to punish it, you know?
Yeah, the nature walk and everything in the
Nature
bush.
walk and nature talk. All right. When we reach us, so
We're close.
say we're there near.
Yep.
So they run the wire, Mitch.
Which one?
See there.
Oh.
And the for the yam.
So them just tie up the yam vine up there.
That's how we do it, you know.
Yeah,
I'll
but
lean the stick on it. That's why they have them small stick there.
yeah, but food never look good.
Whenever look good, you know if it look good if it do work. You gone left me.
The sun come back out. You have to speed it up.
Oh Lord. Speed it up. Speed up, let's see. They're so dry.
First,
Long time Mass Nevi not get no rain. I wonder if you have water.
he should, because like why him wanna use that.
You know, did they?
You know, Marcel, stop saying that.
Alright.
You actually just speak it into being. Is that grapefruit? Why it looks so different?
A grapefruit.
It looks like a big
You want to?
no. It looks like a slug there on that one.
Where?
Over there. See it, Marcel?
Oh, no man, me see what you talk. No slug. The one there. Some the on it, a beer. You look like a one neighbor.
Yeah.
Morning, sir.
Morning. What
Right for your grapefruit tree.
Morning.
Morning.
Oh, okay. Yeah, man.
All right.
All right,
man.
take care.
Cool.
All right.
Man, catch you look on the grapefruit tree.
Woohoo.
Turn that corner here now.
Well, if Mass Nevi not did, I have to just put on the lock.
Yeah, but I put on it. I'm not
I keep saying lock.
A handle.
Handle.
I mean, I agree with you, yes. Alright. Yeah, reach the same time.
Yeah, you.
Hindi naman. Mass Nevi na gano eh.
Oh, thank you,
Mass Nevi, that
Jesus.
burn fire.
We're here. You look like somebody that burned something. Whew.
Mass Nevi, door open.
We're here, guys. It's so nice under this tree.
Uy.
Mass Nevi. One
Nevi.
call.
One call and you're here.
Morning.
Now, where you come from? Where you come from that you can't reach out now?
Run a back.
Hey, look, dress up, where you go?
No, I go nowhere.
Where you look for?
The plastic bottle?
I know
Oh,
that.
see it here. Oh, Lord.
The great obvious about. I say that's not a problem.
Hold on.
Where you go?
What you say?
So, you know, say out of this one, I go some water. My water done.
The same thing Marcel just said when he might come.
Yeah.
You say you don't have no water in the Mass Nevi?
Yes,
We
man.
just see it a while ago.
Yes, man, the water done.
Marcel was saying you probably don't have no water, like all the time dry.
No water.
So you don't have no drinking water.
No, out of this.
Which part did it go?
Out of Miss Byron. Mr. Byron out there, so me there.
Ivy.
Yes, out of Miss Ivy.
Oh,
Me there go pick water.
okay,
So I
so.
sit in your
You
car.
don't bring no water now?
You couldn't expect that.
What you expect?
I thought you might be, you know, so me have none.
So me know because I say it down there so.
God, yeah, look fool, man.
Yeah, look for him, you know.
Yeah, but me know how it going now.
Yes.
You know it go, man, no, farm, you know, so no busy and you have a picking to go to school and all that thing.
Yes.
So because you go for water, we just leave then, yeah?
Yes, sir.
So we come back for next time. You come back.
If you ever come back, it makes sense we leave.
It would make sense me leave, not you?
Yes, sir.
If you ever come back, it don't make sense you leave. So what happened, Mass Nevi, when you went to the doctor?
They give me a description.
Prescription.
Prescription. And which part you go?
Yes, we get eye jobs.
Where you going, Mass Nevi?
Oh, just a minute.
You nice son?
Yes, mom, we like his son, you know.
Oh,
My left fall.
careful.
So me get it now, it's about, me don't know how me get it.
So yes, alright.
But me can get it free.
You can get it free?
Yes, I clinic.
Oh, don't I try?
No try. Christiana. I don't know, give me a try.
Oh.
A Christiana. I say, I buy me that to go buy it.
Oh. So I
You know
want...
how much it?
I don't know how much it is, sir.
You have to carry prescription, go to pharmacy and then check it.
Yes, sir.
The prescription there.
Sister, you will have it.
Okay.
Oh.
It has beat and you know say then drop some over hospital. You know say how me eye so dark. It's start to clear up, you know. So me feel say me get your job, see that?
So the prescription is for eye drops?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh.
For your eye jobs.
So it's just eye drops on it?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh. So maybe if we say Sister Eula, we can get it from her and check and see how much for it.
Yes, ma'am. I say that might be a...
Because the thing about the clinic is that we could do it, but we don't know how long is the wait. Normally,
I think I say might be a wait long.
yes. If it's a case where you can leave it, like in the morning, and then pick it up, I don't know what arrangements can be made. But we can check if it's at the pharmacy and we check and it's affordable, we can get it.
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
we check it.
Yes, ma'am. Oh God, me that glad, man. I hit a holding back and over. Me feel safe, me get through, you know.
But Mass Nevi, what they say about the surgery, they don't say anything.
Them say that's the man, say that's the man really do his surgery, no dire.
He gone foreign.
He gone back up foreign.
So now come back.
They give me an next date now, I no look so.
So the dates they're giving you each time for the new appointment is to do what?
Me no know, man. This a time I just test you and so. And they give me an appointment now, way back to June.
Maybe that's why they give you the eye drop for go and use till that time.
But they never say whether or not the person coming back or what.
So I want to...
Gosh.
No, so I just me can't, you know the...
I know you can.
You can't do nothing. You can't do nothing.
So you never get to ask them, Sister Eula never get to ask them if it is that when he comes back or if he's coming back to make the arrangement.
Me ask him say me couldn't get glass, he said no, the glass now go help.
Jesus. Myself.
Serious promise, sir.
It's alright.
I not understand that though. But Mass Nevi, when you say Sister Eula, we speak to her more and see if she can give you one better understanding.
Yeah, like when you go down, you will see what I shop.
Yes, we can check and see. But we're passing, it was closed.
Yeah, close.
Yeah.
She's not there.
Might be gone, she gone before maybe she got a question.
Okay. Alright, so Mass Nevi, alright, we talk further about that later on.
Yes, ma'am.
So we come and we bring you some stuff because we weren't supposed to come yet because on this visit or the next visit to you should have been to close up the holes in the room.
Yes, ma'am.
But because we have a donor, 2 donors in fact, she sent some items so we never want to keep them too long, so we decide to come today and bring them.
Yes, ma'am.
So today we're not going to close up the hole until the next time we come. But we have the door handle.
Ma'am?
We have the handle for the door.
Yes, you going to put on it now, sir?
Marcel,
Yeah.
But how me I go put on it, you know, so me can't put on it.
You go put on, you know.
you carry the drill, so you know, just left the drill with you.
Oh God, what? Not in the problem for you, so me can't manage. Yeah, manage. God me up here to say now, see?
Alright, let's
Yes,
do this part.
Yes, sir.
And then we put on the door handle.
Yes, sir. Oh God,
So, Mass Nevi,
yes, ma'am.
we have 1 donor. We have 2 donors to say thank you to.
Yes, my God bless them. And you know, say, me I tell you the truth, I since morning. See them there, me never have nothing. One girl carry one thing. My brother carry one thing a sardine and one thing a Sunday.
Oh.
See them on the table,
Yes.
I'm behind me, I walk, see me, I pick up cook later.
Oh, can you run out?
Run out, so God provide.
Yes, man. Oh, wow.
God.
That's wonderful. So we have one donor. Her name is Blessing, and she would have donated so we could have purchased the door handle.
Yes, ma'am. God
Right?
bless
And
you,
then-
man.
Yes, man. Indeed. And then we have another donor now who sent a big box for you. She is an anonymous donor. So should have sent things for you before. So now she sent some clothes, she sent groceries, and toiletries and so on.
Yes, ma'am.
So may have them here stand up within a Mass Nevi.
Huh?
May have them stand up. My 3 bag. May have stand up.
Make a one bag, you put them in.
Come in, missionary. Inside.
Yes, sir.
So no bag not gonna help me. I have to take them and put them down.
You want Mass Nevi?
Yes, sir. Bag now go,
Come in your house.
yes, bag now go, me have this of here.
Mass Nevi, a big stone here back door.
Yes, sir. Sometimes if me I go out, I'm afraid feel like if I be lucky, it give me problem for open.
Oh, to with the handle.
Yes,
You just sit down, Mass Nevi.
you can put
Sit.
them in
Alright,
this.
so I go fix it.
You sit down. Me I gonna give you.
Yes, sir. God bless them people, boy. I tell say God bless man, no man curse with all my troubles and trials. Remember me.
Yes, indeed.
God.
Oh Lord.
You know who me see?
Who?
Me see.
Tell me.
The lady we say, from he want to come from Crownland. Me see his son.
Oh.
Me see his son Aspalin. Lamar, his son named Lamar.
Oh yes.
And he give me $1,000.
Yes, man.
He's one of my good friends. He for me a little boy what a pretty there.
Oh.
He said, lady, you know who me talk? The one
Yeah,
from Crownland.
yes.
Marie.
What's his name again?
Maureen.
Maureen.
Yeah.
Yes, Maureen's son. Yes, man.
All right. So Master Nevi, me I go tell you. Me I put these beside it because these are clothes.
Yes, ma'am.
So I go tell you what me I put down here.
Yes, ma'am.
Me now put them in a bag, a food bag you have with onion and garlic.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so putting down towels.
Yes.
So you have 2 towels there.
God bless them, man.
Can I go to the beach now, missionary?
Yes, sir. Man.
You put them in the bag?
No.
You can't put them in. Oh,
Yeah, I'll
okay.
get one box.
So you have t-shirts.
Yeah. Oh, God.
Young again.
Yes. Yes, one of me. God.
And you have your shoes. Feel it.
What? I never fit me. You can try it out.
It will fit your man. Let me see.
Try it out.
You look just like that one we have on size. Some things in it here.
Huh?
Some things in it at the moment. That's every second. You can try it on.
Yes, man.
Can wear that in a water and a Mass Nevi, a suede.
Sweet, yes, man.
I feel that man look like they come mark out your foot on paper.
The lace one. Hold on. Hold on. Wait, Mass Nevi, hold on. Draw the lace for you. It's not that one.
Just drop your tongue now. Hold the tongue up.
Oh, try it now and see.
Yes, man. It's a fit me, man.
Oh, perfect fit.
No, me fit you, man.
They come mark out your foot on paper.
Jesus. What a lady that's, sir. A foreign she them, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Bless that lady, man. Oh, God. Open store basket, man. Never empty, man.
Yes.
Wow.
All right, so then see the next foot here?
Yes. A Swede.
Yes.
See me way me send them come to church, man. Them say, when me get them?
Yeah.
Me get so much thing, but you say, oh, God bless no man curse.
That's
Put
true.
man put on that at Mass Nevi.
Wait, me have one next
one next
sneakers. I'm putting some soaps over here.
Yes,
See,
sir.
I have one fancy soap here, so when you feel it, just know say a soap. It's 2 of them.
Man. Jesus. God can help me.
Plastic here. That's
Mad.
Yeah, so it's 2 here. See
Yes,
the
sir.
next one over here, so
God can
you
help
have another
man.
soap.
Nothing, sir.
Are you crying, Mass Nevi? Oh, yes. Oh,
Wow.
Nobody cry me boss.
yeah.
blessing of that, isn't it?
Yeah, indeed.
This one I want pretty one. This one you can't wear in a mud. And this can't wear in a mud. That's white like milk.
Mass Nevi. Let me see which foot. Oh, the other one you take off.
God.
So this is a pair of sneakers. It's white and they have green lining around it. So
Yeah.
it's 8.5. So I don't know.
Yes, we catch it on.
All right, hold on. Me fix the lace
If
here.
it's short, if it's short, you know, cut off piece of it, Mass Nevi.
Yeah.
Mass Nevi say yes.
Yes,
Cut off the pint.
Pint
If it go through.
Here, Mass Nevi. Oh, sorry.
Make it fit it.
Yes, this everything.
Me adjust the lace already.
You know, sir, oh, that's always beat me.
Oh,
Yes, so that's all.
and this part is around, so.
All of them beat me.
Hey,
I fear that, my general. Me tell
I
you, say,
strong shooting.
Mass Nevi, me tell you, say, lady come mark you out to foot pan paper when you're asleep.
Jesus.
You know?
King.
If it's alright, not you?
Oh, God. If it's all right.
You go boss it, so.
all right, so you want to put back that one in a bag?
Put the back this in that
Because
bag.
white.
Yes, sir.
All right.
This is brother. Man.
So that are yours.
God.
All right, so and this is a sheet. The other part
yes,
for it.
Well, in my sheet, you know.
Right now, me have one bag on my back. Can't come off, Mass Nevi.
Why?
It's too heavy.
Let me take off this Marcel. He stand up with this so long.
You're strong, you man?
You should have helped me, man.
Me never realize because you're not complaining or nothing. You
He's
just...
not a complainer.
You're strong.
All right. Hold on. Oh! Okay. So this one now.
I'll be still life, I know, I need to worry myself.
You know, you don't have to worry about a thing, Mass Nevi.
Hey.
All right, so.
Yes, sir.
Sorry. All right, Mass Nevi, so see some grocery items here. We're putting them in.
Yeah.
But they bring you additional groceries as well.
Yes, man.
So you have cornmeal and you have like tin beans, string beans, baked bean,
Yes,
tin milk.
Yes, I didn't do you to carry. I'm not
Alright.
like the tough things. If I see the tough things, then you put them in the stove.
On the stove,
You burn out your gas.
yeah.
Why that in your hand, Mass Nevi?
Toothpaste.
Yes.
Oh, I know, sir.
Yes, man.
All right. So your sheet over here, so and your pillow. So you have your pillowcases and your
Take off
sheets
them there and make somebody.
and your pants.
Yeah.
You have new brand pants.
That we already white sneaker.
Yeah.
Are we already?
That's grey. You hear, Mass Nevi?
Yes, man.
Grey. And so you have another one here, similar to that one is black.
Yes.
So you have
This
three. That one you have is black.
Yes.
The other one is grey.
Yes. God. I tell you, God will find some people who master.
Yes, indeed.
Indeed.
It's only a pity say you know wear slippers, Mass Nevi.
Maybe you're it, man.
You wear slippers?
In a yard.
Oh, okay. In that
Alright,
case,
see one of them.
so one slippers here too.
Yes.
So she send you shoes and sneakers and
man.
slippers.
Yes, man. A yard, maybe you're
So it's a push. So you just push your foot
Yes,
in.
man.
Then you can pull it out. You have a Velcro on it.
Yeah. Yeah.
And bed slippers.
Yeah.
So that one you wear go to bed.
Last day we are back home.
What are people them, sir? Good Jesus.
Last day we have a chia seed. Moringa chia seed soap. Soap with chia seed. It's an anti-aging.
But that will make you stop age. You hear my boss?
Yeah.
All right, so the toothbrush here, Mass Nevi.
Yes, man. Good. Good. Make it.
And then,
And that pant.
yes.
Yeah.
I brief. I brief you wear on that pant, my boss.
Yeah. Any one of them. sir.
Wear that then.
Any one of them.
All right, so you have a whole box here.
Cool. Boom.
All right, this bag empty. But we have a. So see a t-shirt here too, Mass Nevi. So you have two t-shirts here. Them they're right here. So
Yeah. God bless them.
to the next one here.
Turn right.
So Mass Nevi,
Yes, sir.
the lady give you anti-aging soap and your young clothes.
You want? Oh, God. That like we see all of the lady they know, man.
like to say.
Me have to bend down and pray.
Oh.
You can pray for her from here.
You know that, sir? Oh, God. I like we see the lady. I tell you, man.
Alright, Mass Nevi. So me I put some other stuff over here. So these are curtains.
Yeah.
Mass Nevi, where you go put them something here?
No, man. I don't
Mass
know.
Nevi, I go want to ask Likkle suitcase.
Yes, man. Yeah.
Alright, let me see why not this bag.
I don't know.
I'm not done yet.
So these are what?
That's a thing I got to put up the curtain there.
Oh.
But it's shower something, you know. It's shower, what do you call those again? It's for the shower.
Oh.
To hang up the shower curtain. Alright, so in this bag, Mass Nevi, you have socks and merino, and you have like runners and so here.
Yes, man.
So Mass Nevi will run out of run.
So where
Saying about
is that?
These are bed slippers.
Alright.
that I want to go to bed.
Mass Nevi, you have to walk up and down in that house, yeah. My name is Mass Nevi go to bed in the bed slippers.
Oh, you could have sleep in there. Body clean.
I walk in the house tonight. Don't go to the door tonight, boss.
Alright, so Mass Nevi put that beside you. No, you put it on the settee, a white too, you know.
You right this one?
You see the bag here now? It have in merinos and white socks and so. And some, you know, runner, like table covering, things where you can put over the table and so.
Lord gosh. They suit me out here.
Yeah.
My God.
Alright. We're moving to Marcel, big bag. Alright, so these are the groceries that she sent for you.
You can put them in this bag, man?
So you have a bag right here?
Yes, ma'am.
Right, so may I put it in there?
Yes, ma'am.
Peas and stuff in there. You can check it out.
Yes, ma'am.
You will know just by touching.
Yeah.
You have tin stuff, you have peas and peanut butter and so on.
Definitely sugar comes, sir. Last week,
What Mass Nevi say about sugar?
last week, I 1 pound of sugar, I get to the whole time, I have to go down go.
No, we don't carry no sugar.
I have to go see if we can buy sugar from, I don't have none.
I think we run out of sugar. Marcel. We can get you sugar, Mass Nevi. Remember you go get the water. So you could have get your sugar too.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, what? If you cook, we don't know if you drink. Yeah.
Mass Nevi.
You go buy your sugar. I don't know what I want.
Alright, now lock that yet. Wait. Here.
Tell me about that.
Oh, coffee.
Hey, how you say I can't see? Yeah?
You know, somebody give me coffee, you know. I never know say instant coffee, you know.
Where you did I do to it?
A strain.
Ah!
That was the point.
No.
Straight, not come on.
Oh, Miss Botan.
It come ready.
Yes.
Alright, so you have rice and your cornmeal and flour. Corn, and so you have one fancy rice.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh Lord.
God.
And
God,
these additional items, guys, that we're giving Mass Nevi.
God, you see them
Just want to
people.
say thanks to
God
persons who have
bless
sent
you,
us
man.
barrels. As a result of that, we are able to.
God.
And your cooking oil.
Yeah. God bless them.
Yes, man, you are more than welcome.
God.
I think that's
Everything.
yes. Me finish now.
Yes, man.
Me not have nothing more.
Yes, man.
You have more stuff in the other parts.
No, man, I just drilling this up.
Okay.
Alright, so now like a drill gear now, my boss.
Yes, I'm going to jail.
And it screw them. So you can, when you find time, you just do your...
Jail, yes.
Mass Nevi, all right. Now we do live in the drill.
Yes, man.
Okay. All right, guys. Just want to say thanks to all our donors, all our supporters. We thank you very much.
Man, support
May
us.
God continue to bless you
know,
richly.
keep you know.
Yes.
Keep you know long life.
Yes, absolutely.
God.
All right. Lock time now.
Handle.
I will never stop so that, all right.
Yeah, let's stop saying now.
Yes, man.
Okay.
Lucky thing when you drink, man, I love that screw, you know. That screw, really.
Oh, Mass Nevi.
Yes, man.
We got a phone for you, see?
Yeah.
But we did not get to bring the phone.
Oh, God.
Why? Because it don't have any SIM card.
Huh?
So we have to buy a SIM card for it. Yeah, chip. That's what you know it as.
Yes, chip.
So we have to buy one, put in there.
Oh.
So as soon as we buy it, so by the time we're coming back, we should be able to bring it to you here.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Good,
and
ma'am.
that's also from the donor who sent you the clothes and the food and everything.
Yes, man. Good. Good, man.
Yes, man.
Good. Good, man. You want the phone?
You want the phone?
Yes, ma'am.
How we are going to call?
Who Mass Nevi say I'm going to call?
Say we are going to call.
Oh.
What are people would? So,
Mark me a marky.
the next thing do over the boss for me.
We know where you talk about, man.
Oh, God. For me, I have no time in nothing to compete. The radio, man.
Me know say it talk.
Oh.
Sister, you not tell me so we can't get one for 4,000.
Oh, okay.
The radio going to be a surprise.
Yes, sir.
For Christmas.
Christmas? Yeah, I say.
Can't put in me things them in and want no fret.
Eh?
Can't put in me things them in and no fret. Sometimes I got a lot of me have to fret here, you know. Say, why? Say, and if anybody will come here for the house, uncle, you know, come up, take a, come pull off all the lock. For me, they have me locked down this already, you know. And put it and lock the door down. So, you know, so they go take off the lock down and take off the park. Down this way, me live.
Pull off the door.
Eh?
Take back the park door.
Take back, I'll know me no get it. Pull off the padlock and take it back.
Carry it back.
But you can't do this.
Yes, Mass Nevi, nice now.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Done, you know?
Jesus and sons.
Yeah, me live. Go test it now.
That's it, you know. Same time I have come now, me just can't just hold this so.
Make key there.
The key in this so.
You might have to give you one of them key there, because when you come here, you know, they are.
Yes, yes. Yes, you not
You must be yes,
We
yes.
not take the key. A good idea, but we not take it.
Yes, sir.
You alone if you have key for your house, somebody.
Yes, sir.
Mass
You
Nevi.
got the phone, we call you upon it when we are come.
Come here.
So put in the key now and lock him, make we see now.
Yes.
And you
Go
can
for the
take out
key,
big
Mass
stone-
Nevi.
Take out the big stone them out of your house.
Oh, Lord. That was quick, Marcel. It's like you just throw it on like, ooh.
Oh, God.
Right, you look for?
The key, yes, sir.
You have to just put in, type on something like
Put it around your neck.
I don't carry this up.
The Aki don't know.
Yes, sir. The bird get all right. Beat me sometime.
Mass Nevi, watch your face and the zinc.
Yeah,
Hit the two.
If you put in the key.
yeah.
Oh.
But you may put it in still. Make a time, but
You have to
But
feel
it's better
it.
now, like how you have
yes,
the handle.
man, just chop your lock it. It's alright, man. Tell me how go me lock it.
No, then I don't want to see it with man.
It's alright, but give me a time. It's alright.
Close.
Yeah.
Everything alright now. So, I'm not going to take some of you buy sugar.
Yes.
Buy sugar.
Dark, you walk with you go down? I don't know it.
What time I say yes, I'm going to
Oh.
Yes, sir.
So I say sell sugar?
No, sir.
So when the sugar go by.
I go buy sugar, babe.
Oh, well, not now though.
No, man.
Okay.
Tomorrow. But tomorrow, I say if I no soon, tomorrow, I go down, go
Yeah.
get it.
Alright.
I'm wondering if we have sugar, you know, that's why you see me look like this.
Sugar is supposed to be there. Remember, me get the rest of it.
Yeah, and you know, Marcel asked me about sugar before me leave, and then it slipped
That's the
me.
most
It's
important.
the second time, you know, we come in.
Most important for a man time, you know, so me drink
Yeah.
tea, you know, feel good.
It's the
at all.
second time we come into your Marcel say sugar, and we actually end up leave it when you come. You say you want sugar.
Yes, man.
Yeah,
Important.
but I'm still gonna check because I think we should have.
But if you check out, you go come back again, Miss.
No, we're gonna give you the funds and you buy for now.
Yes, man.
When we are come back now,
Yeah,
we'll ensure that we bring you some sugar
Yes,
here.
man, I tell them most important. If me not have no 3 times, I drink tea.
Yeah, so you not drink no
So
tea
give me
this
back
man.
the food now, I could just carry sugar come.
They don't say if you have a sugar, if you have a sugar and drink tea, no, you can't. You just can't have you know. No, sir, just can't have you for the day. If you not drink tea, if you until you drink tea,
Yeah.
until you drink tea, man. I wanna. Some people are get up out of them bed and not drink tea. If I make hot water.
Yes.
So me born to my parents and I tell me say no get up man and no drink tea. That's the first time people you know they used to tell you good things, you know.
Yeah.
To the right way and right. My generation now you drink, you know what them say they buy bag juice.
In the morning.
In the man for tea. They you know most week. Bag juice. You know no substance.
Yes, Mass Nevi.
Yes man, son, you like his son.
You like his son?
Why the cool?
You know cool. God bless you, the Master God.
Yes, Mass Nevi.
Master God, God are God, you know.
Yes.
Nobody there have what God, you know.
Yes.
That alone could have there.
No man, no Papa been a mankind. Papa been a mankind. I do this and then said, Lord, him a get too much on, you know.
Yeah.
But God, man.
Yes, man. Because yours is yours.
Yes, man.
Your blessing can't be anybody else's
Nobody else,
blessing.
man.
Yes.
It's good.
Alright, Mass Nevi, this sound like I no understand that you come out and get comfortable and I left you go left now, you
Yes,
know.
man.
And this, we have to beat this son go back down, you know.
Mass Nevi left him make. He love trouble.
No, are you know me no want bad side for me?
No, sir. We're ready, Mass Nevi.
I me no want bad side for me.
Oh.
When you remember when you reach out,
Me no want bad side for me. Me no want bad side for me. Never remember.
Alright, Mass Nevi, we'll leave now.
Yes, man. God
Alright?
do know. Yes,
man. And so, guys,
Yes, man. God
just
bless
want
you.
to say thank
Thank
you
you, no brother.
to everyone who has donated, who
Oh,
continues
God.
to donate, and who continues to support the work that we do. And in particular, you know, our elderlies like Mass Nevi here. All right, so until next time, no, I must say this before. Thanks, donors. Blessings to you, and may your store basket never be empty.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so until next time, this is your individual for today. Thanks so much for making it a Likkle Everything Jamaican. Blessed love, stay safe, and bye-bye.
Yes, bye-bye. Yeah. Bye-bye and God bless you, no missus.
Yes, yes.
yeah.
All right. Mass Nevi, so the money here for the sugar. So that's $500.
All right.
So you can buy your sugar.
Yes,
And that's from Blessings as well here.
Yes,
the lady who purchased the handle.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so bye guys. Blessing and love.
You know, everything you know, sister, you will call on.
Yeah. Oh, you just got out of petal, go call us.
Yes,
Mass Nevi, start call we, you know, guys. Find Sister Petal and the phone ring and she's like, oh, Mass Nevi is here to talk to you. So, by the time we come back next time, hopefully that SIM card works in the phone and then at least you know you have your phone you can call when you're ready. Yes.
Alright, my boss. Yes, sir. Big up yourself, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Alright, Mass Nevi.
Ready to go for your water now?
Yes, we could do that. But you don't know what happened? Me have 2 pieces of yam could I go, you know?
Lala, we don't want to take a piece of yam. Where you going to eat?
We have yam still, you know.
We have no.
Mr. Miller, give one big piece of yam and now we not get to cut yet.
Oh, when I go give spoon for me, that man will put on yam.
Oh, you're not full around yam?
Me like yam, but I soft yam.
Oh.
Give me spoon.
You still say that? I don't know, Baba.
So, The full mama gone.
I roasted this and I'm pretty.
Yeah.
I got two him.
I want roasted this and we don't want black tail and I want red head.
Wow, a big one.
You make me eat him now? Light the fire, make we pick him.
Yeah, we don't have the water.
We can't draw the feather same way, man.
You must never, but you forgot hot water. Can't eat him, Mass Nevi.
The roasted is supposed to tough like iron. Yeah, mommy.
You suspect where Mass Nevi up to. That's why I make nice.
Yeah, next one what is the answer?
Three of them. Oh.
You know, look like you have to wear a little.
Yes, sir.
That's it the way I look when I put up it. Yes.